endangered animals. Gorilla Mountain. Mountain gorilla. Gorillas live in the forest. People cut down trees and destroy the forest, so the gorilla's habitat is getting smaller. Hunting gorillas is against the law, but illegal hunters still kill them. Some people eat gorilla meat. If we do nothing, mountain gorillas will become extinct in few years. It is possible to breed gorillas in zoos. Many zoos around the world have gorilla breeding programs. Gorillas are one of the most feared animals in the world. Thanks to movies like King Kong and Congo, while it is true that they are large, beautiful creatures, they are accomplish. Gorillas were placed in carefully controlled groups so tourists could view them at close range. Gorilla tourism was so successful that gorilla viewing at one time was Rwanda's third largest earner of foreign currency. Similar programs were started on the Zaire and Uganda sites of the volcanoes where the gorillas lived. Rwanda's recognized that protecting the gorillas was in their economic interest. Gorilla population in Rwanda have risen from a low of 250 in 1981 to about 300.